Now, a lot of people want to buy a house and they don't really know how. So today we're going to be talking about the first step in the real estate buying process. Hey guys, what's up? I'm Chance Jackson, your Pacific Northwest Realtor. So the first step to buying a house sounds silly, but it's really important. It's securing your funding. Now, when I say that, a lot of people are probably thinking, oh, I need to save up hundreds of thousands of dollars to secure my funding. That is not what I'm implying. It's really rare that someone can actually buy a house outright with cash. So in this specific topic, I'm gonna refer to getting a pre-approval letter, speaking with a lender. Now, there's a couple of reasons as to why this is so important. The first one being, you wouldn't go to a store to buy groceries if you don't know how much money you have in your bank account. So why would you go to a house wanting to buy a house but not knowing how much you can afford? Lenders are generally going to look at your credit score, they're going to look at your debt to income ratio, they're going to look at your savings, like how much assets you've accumulated, if you own stocks or bonds or CDs or just have a big lump of cash in your bank account. So now that you understand what the first step is and why we take that first step, now we're going to talk about how. So because I'm a real estate agent and this is my profession, I have a large array of preferred lenders that I go to, that I send clients to. Depending on where you work, where you live, what you do, what type of loan that you're probably going to go for, I can connect you to the right person to help get you through that front door, that first step. Stop right now. Stop scrolling, stop looking up YouTube videos, stop trying to figure out how to do this, how much money to save. All of that is irrelevant. You're spinning your wheels out in the mud. Sure, it's great to use YouTube to learn things, but honestly, go talk to a professional, because you might be doing something that you think is gonna help you, but you might not need to do that in your specific region. A lot of people think, oh, I need to save $50,000, $60,000, $70,000. Well, yeah, it helps, but there's a lot of loans that are only 3% down. So that's like maybe $15,000 or $20,000. So yeah, speak to a lender, speak to a professional, and then come back for the next step. Once again, my name's Chance. Thanks for listening. Get that step done. I'll see you in the next one.